hello nosy people. So today my mom's decides that she no want cook dinner and decides that she want we go out, go try out this burger place called Slay Burger in a downtown Richmond. So anyways, after me there, I am my apple and I look on the menu, me hear some quarrel a go on. So me have to peep back when me looking at the kitchen, now the whole man and the young chef look like them a cuss out each other. By the way, for those of you who don't know me are the original Jamaican boss baby Royce, make the R roll off of your tongue. So anyway, as me stand up and I wait for this little piece of burger, me have to add name pan ketchup because me gum them just a scratch me and them people here take long before them stop cause I make my burger. So anyway, them did nice enough to give with complimentary drinks after them have me a turn up on my little old foot. So anyways, me and my father, hey father, me want the fruit juice. Make sure it organic, you know. Me not just want a regular icy with water down. Hello, father, yeah, you me? Anyways, finally food done. So them fries me nah like them fries have some taste and some flavor. Them know for fling up flavor.